Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we talked about how to generate JWT token and we talk about what is the JWT token. We talk about token structure. Also, we talk about JWT token authentication. And in today's video, we will use this token to protect our API endpoints with authorized attributes. Let's jump straight into the code and see everything in action. So this is our project API application domain infrastructure. We talked about the last time about the JWT token. So let's run our project and just check everything is work or not. Project is running successfully and open Postman and test our endpoint. Then login. So we got the token and next we have a get all product. I think we have it. So we try to authorize our product controller. Once the user is not logged in, it will give you unauthorized. Right now it will give you 200. Okay. So we implement our token to that controller. If the user is not logged in, the product is not give you any result. Just go back to VS Code and we protect our controller get all method. Where is this? Get all. Yes. So we try to authorize keyword. I mean, sorry, authorize attributes. Like what? Okay, and stop the application and run this application. And just check like how it's work. Right now I did not implement anything. I just use authorize attributes on the product controller. Come on, run. So it's run successfully. Just open product and again I try to send the try to get the request. So you will see it will not work because we apply authorized attribute. So it said that no authorization schema was specified and the 500 internal server error. So why is coming? Because we use authorized attributes. So in that point we use authentication in our middleware. Let's open program.cs file and we implement our middleware. Just our application, go to program.cs file And so this is our pipeline. This is our all pipeline after the build, and this is our service. So before that, we install another package, which is I think Microsoft. We already installed or not? Let's see. Go to NuGet and install JWT now. So I installed the one package which is mm, Microsoft. Why it's not coming? Hmm. Not go Microsoft.sp netcode.authentication. Here you go. So just Sam remove the pre-release because we are using 9 SDK. And where is the one? And it's installed in API project. So once it's installed, then we use authentication as a service, and which is on after we can use here. So wiki is here. Pillar. Well, just give me a second. Close this one. Okay, and so builder dot service dot authentication. We specify our no, we pass our JWT default the default dot authentication schema dot add JWT barrier, and here we specify how we authentication to the token. So option, and here we use our same token key which we used before, the same key which we use for authentication. Builder builder dot configuration dot uh, configuration dot what was that? Okay, development token key, and the same thing we use here. Let me check where what I write here just for confirmation. Okay, I can use this. Okay, so the token, what is that? Token key, and we use here our exception if we did not get any configure any token. So yeah, that's yes. Okay, and next we specify our 70 key which is used that token, and now we specify hmm, option option dot token validation parameter equal to new param token what happened, new Microsoft token parameter. And why is coming the full words? Should not come words. Okay, we use Microsoft token. Then Microsoft token param, and here we can use this. Okay, and we use here validation. issuer sign key equal to true. Yep. Okay. So here we make sure its token is valid. Otherwise, it will accept any token. So this point is very important. So you need to write true. Otherwise, it will take any kind of token. So next, then we use issuer. I oh, sorry for that. Issuer signing key equal to new we pass our semantic key security key encoding encoding the same thing we use utf dot what we use, let me check what we use in previous here. Get byte token, okay, the same thing. So it should be the same utf. So here you also need to utf. Okay, so after that dot get bytes and pass our token key. Now this is complete, and we add couple of validation check, like validation issue. It's not be terminated, should be comma. Validate issue equal to false, comma, validate audience. Validate audience. Where is the audience? Validate. What happens when the key encoding should be this? Okay. Validate issuer false and validate audience false. Okay, so next we use this service in our middleware, and ordering is very important. We will add this before our this is our course. This is our use authentication, and after that app dot use authorize authorization. So before the map controller and after your course, you can add these two method. This is very important. Ordering is very important. So this is our complete, and now we check our endpoints. Let's see, and .NET build. Just wait for the running application. So our application is run. Now go to the Postman, and first I did not use any authentication token. So I just we get the product, get all product. We use our authorize attributes in our get all product. So once we click on send, it will give you the error 401 unauthorized. So why we use our uh, controller as a authorized, that's why you are seeing this unauthorized 401. So how we get this, how we get the product, how we get all products. So for that Go to our login. Again, we use signing and then get the token. So copy this token and go to our get all product, params key, use, we send that token inside our header. So use authorization and pass the VEA or ER and space and paste our token. Right now is unauthorized, okay? So now after that you need to send and you get the result. Perfect. And if you can go to get by ID, this action we don't use any authorize, so just send it so it will also work and get on. Use our authentication. Perfect. If you remove our our token, it will not give you any result. Another thing, please use before the token you use barrier and space and pass your token, then it will work. Otherwise it will not work. So please make sure. So that's how you protect your API endpoints with JWT and Authorize attributes. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe. Also, follow me on LinkedIn for more .NET content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.